so today I thought I would do a slightly mini tiny haul. I went to the drugstore recently. I saw some new things. I don't know if they're necessarily super new, but they're new to me because I haven't really been to the drugstore very often. So I thought that I would share them with you. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like hauls and you think I should do more of them. So this is just drugstore, so Walmart. I'm gonna start off with the thing that I basically already used, and it's on my face right now. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. I was so excited when I saw this because I've been dying for them to come out with a cushion foundation because I love their bronzer. It's so good. Like, if you like the color of it, you're gonna like it because the formula is amazing. And so I knew that if they made a foundation that I would really like it. So I actually have it on right now, and I'm in the middle of doing a first impressions, which you'll probably see after this video. But yeah, I got the shade Nude Beige. I'm so excited. This was the thing I was most excited about, but I know this isn't new. It's been out for a couple months. And so this is kind of what it looks like, which is super cute. Nude Beige is what I got. But yeah, I'm really excited. They don't have that many shades, like 8 shades. But I'm glad they have one that semi-matched me. I mean, it looks pretty good to me. So along with that, Wet n Wild came out with a bunch of these liquid highlighters. I totally missed it on that. I know that these have been out for a while. So I got one shade. This is the one that I was interested in. It's called Halo Goodbye is what it's called. So let's open this up and take a look and swatch it because I haven't swatched any of these. The only one I've used is that Wet n Wild one, the Cushion Foundation. A little glass jar. Oh, mine was slightly open. And it's super cute and easy to store. So that's kind of nice. And a huge applicator. Ooh. This is like a pinky one. So it's kind of what it looks like. Let's blend it out and see. Ooh, wow. Not glittery at all. No scent, and looks like it's really beautiful and glowy. This is really nice. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited to put this to the test. All right, Physician Formula also came out with a bunch of stuff. And this, I just saw it and the packaging just called out to me. You guys know I love pink, white, flowers together. I love that. So this is a Physician Formula Rose All Day Oil-Free Serum. It brightens and tightens is what it does. And so it's a little bit of skincare. I love the bottle. It's super gorgeous. And I got it because of the packaging is why I got it. And I love serums to put on my face. I love that kind of stuff. So it says, it's a pearl luminous formula, and it tightens and brightens skin for a radiant glow, enriched with rose water to help soothe, calm, and hydrate the skin. You can use it alone, under, or over makeup. So yeah, let's swatch this. Let's see what this is all about. Yep, smells like a rose, but it's not obnoxious. Ooh, it's almost like, ooh, it's thicker than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more liquidy. Ooh, and it has a very beautiful, like, pinky. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can even see that, but it's like has a glow, like a pinky glow, and then it kind of fades, and it's super, like, the texture of it is super nice, and then it dries really fast. It left that part of my hand looking really nice. So I am really excited to try this underneath foundation, and I don't know how it would look over a foundation, but maybe I'll do first impressions with this and put it to the test. Okay, another Wet n Wild product that's just really boring, and I love this, and it's a repurchase, so it's good. This is the Wet n Wild Omega Glow Contour Palette. This one's in Dulce de Leche. I love it. It's perfect. If you have a skin tone similar to mine, or skin shade, or if you match me at all. If you don't know what I am, go in the description box. I always put foundations that match me down below. But if you're looking for a good matte bronzer, this is a really good one. And so it has a matte highlighting powder, and it has a bronzing powder, or a contour shade is what I use it for. I use it to contour. My last one broke because these are super, like, the powder itself is super soft, really nice. And it's, oh, I missed this. This just is a really beautiful contour. It is kind of warm, but I really, really like it. I think it looks really beautiful on the skin. Another Born repurchase is the L'Oreal Brow Styler, the little skinny one. And this one is the shade Light Brunette, which I really like. So I ran out of mine. Okay, this is something else that seemed new. It's the Flower Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray Dewy Finish. I'm really excited to try this out as well. I wish I could have tried it out today, but no, I couldn't. I couldn't because I was testing out this foundation. Let's see what the spray looks like. Oh, it smells nice. Let me see what it smells like. I thought it smelled like roses. It kind of smells a little bit like flowers, but it's not obnoxious. You know how sometimes those flowery perfumes, it's too much and it's obnoxious? It's not like that. Okay, so it says locks in makeup, hydrates, protects from polluting particles, moisture boosting. Cool. So I'm excited because every brand has setting sprays, but I didn't see a Flower Beauty one, and they even have a matte one as well. Okay, so the last thing on this haul that I'm really, really excited about, and I will be doing a foundation first impressions with it, and it's the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. This is new. There are first impressions on this already, reviews. I just haven't tried it yet. I haven't gotten around to trying it, and I thought I would try it. I've never seen Physicians Formula have such elegant packaging before. I got the shade MC1, and I'm thinking I tried to get like medium warm one, and I think I got medium cool one. So we'll have to see if this one fits me. I'm gonna be bummed out if I got the wrong one because I grabbed it, but you know how people mix them up, and so I grabbed it from where it was at, but I didn't check to make sure it was the right one. Let's see here. See if it matches my bourgeois one. Seems like it matches. The undertone might be a little off. I don't know, we'll have to see. So I'm super excited. It's brightening, complex for all skin types. And it doesn't really say anything on the bottle, like when I took off the wrapper. Okay, so I put the sticker back on it so I can see. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, it brightens, hydrates, and evens skin tone. Ultra blendable, lightweight, buildable, and breathable. Lightweight, buildable, so it should be able to build. So I'm excited to do a first impressions with this. You'll probably see that pretty soon. But yeah, that's it. That's it for my haul. This haul was a tiny haul, but I did want to get on here and start doing more makeup related videos. I don't have a lot of makeup with me still, but I do what I can. I do what I can for you guys. And even though this was a small haul, this was not cheap. I think almost every one of those products was like $10, $12. That adds up so quick. Also, how do you guys like my new filming room? So the guest room, if you want to see more what the guest room looks like, you're gonna have to check the vlog that I have up. But basically we made this desk back here, and we have like this green wall, and hopefully you can't see it too bad now. With everything we got, like my computer, I don't know, just this is my new filming space. This is my desk back here. I'm so excited to be filming at a desk, to be editing at a desk for you guys, and to start kind of, I don't know, doing things the way that I want to do them. So yeah, that's it. That's my little update. I hope you guys are having a good day. Make sure to come back because I do have a first impressions on the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation coming up next. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.